All right, so let's say that I have a round column. So I got a round structural column here. And if I wanted to change the diameter of this column, so also right now, if I click on this column, you can see that the diameter of this column is 12 inches here, and the volume is 7.07 cubic feet. But if I wanted to change the diameter of this, there's a couple things that I could do. So I could either click on my column, I could click this down arrow here, and I could change it to 18 inches diameter, 24, 30. And then if I do that, now you can see that now my volume has now changed. Now it's 15.90 cubic feet. I could also go to where you see edit type, and this B dimension, that's the diameter of that column. So you can see it's 18 inches up here. It's also 18 inches for the B dimension. So if I wanted to change this to some kind of weird crazy number, I could say, I don't know, I want to make this 17-inch diameter a quick way. So obviously if I was going to do that in a real project, I would duplicate this column, then I would name it 17-inch and then give it a diameter here. But if I'm just trying to figure out what the volume is of this new column, then like say for an exam where I'm pressed for time, I could just edit it, change this B to whatever dimension I need it to be, the diameter to be, hit apply, okay. And then you can see the new volume is now 14.19 cubic feet. So that's kind of how you change the diameter of a column and figure out what the volume is really quickly. So I hope that helps.